everybody. I wanted to check in with you guys real quick. I don't want you to think I forgot about you, and I don't want you to forget about me. So it's 2 days after Christmas, and I thought I didn't have any videos except one to edit. And so I was holding off. Well, then my daughter and my son-in-law came home yesterday, and we celebrated Christmas there yesterday. And Christmas Day, I celebrated Christmas at my son's house. The day before, I baked all day. The day before that, my granddaughter came over, which I have a video. That's the one video that I was thinking about. And we baked all day. So I haven't been able to even edit or record anything new. And then on top of that, I dropped my phone when I was recording in the van. And I don't have a rug in there because I've lost my rug. How do you lose a rug? Heck if I know. I must have accidentally donated it and didn't realize I grabbed that bag that it was in. That's the only thing I can think of. I've turned the van upside down and my pretty peach shag rug is gone. So it landed on the wood floor, which is hard. Busted the receiver that was attached to my phone. And so then I had to order a new one to make any more videos. So I haven't posted any videos. This is day 6, I believe. And I've been panic stricken. Well, my microphone and all came in and I was able to use it, baking cookies with my granddaughter. But I've been so busy with the holidays, I haven't been able to have time to get on and edit the video of us baking cookies. Guess what I found when I got on my computer? There was a couple of other videos that I had made, haven't edited, but I totally forgot I made them. And so now I have 3 videos to edit. So stay tuned. I should have one posted by either tonight or tomorrow night. Probably tomorrow because I'm working on it right now. See? You can see I'm editing. That's what an editing screen looks like on iMovie on Apple's program. So until my next video, I will see you later. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday Christmas. I have a really cute post-Christmas. I guess I'm going to be posting it, but it's my granddaughter and I baking cookies. It's really cute. So anyhow, I will talk to you soon, and I hope everybody's doing well. Shoot me a comment and tell me how your Christmas was. I'd really like to hear that. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.